To improve a sound quality with Soundcore Liberty for NC, first we need to open a Soundcore app on the smartphone device currently connected with our earbuds, select them from the list, and then in the first panel we can go for sound effects, and right here you can turn off 3D surround sound, or if you like to have a spatial audio you can activate it, but I prefer to turn it off as I think it decreases a sound quality. Next thing is the sounds, which allows you to customize the equalizer for your earbuds, and you can go with Hear ID sound, and after clicking on it you will need to perform a quick setup, follow instructions on screen. And alternatively, this option I recommend is to click right here on the default, which allows you to pick a specific equalizer preset that is pre-made for your earbuds, and you can choose from the category that fits your music that you're listening to. So if you like a bass boost, you can go for a bass booster. Next is to go up and click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then I recommend to switch off gaming mode like I have right here, and activate sound leak compensation. And I turned off gaming mode since it gives you the low latency mode, but at the same time decreasing a sound quality. And the sound leak compensation detects whether your audio is leaking and compensates it to ensure optimal sound quality. Next is to scroll down again and enter a sound mode, and right here from this list select the preferred audio quality with LDAC. You need to agree and then wait till there's a update downloaded. If you already done it, then you can just activate it, and that is basically everything you can do to improve a sound quality on your devices.